Okay, so the next example will be the same example, but this time there are a certain number of respondents. So the heights of adult American males are approximately normally distributed with a mean of 69 inches and a standard deviation of 2 inches. So the same given, the mean is 69, and then the standard deviation, you have 2. The sample size here is 2,000. So in a group of 2,000 adult American males, about how many would you expect to be taller than 6 feet or 61 inches? So we just approximate it to 71 inches. So let's draw a normal distribution here. As we all know, the middle is the mean, and that is 69. One standard deviation above the mean, so 69 plus 2, that is 71. Two standard deviation above the mean, that is 73, 71 plus 2. And 3 standard deviation above the mean, 73 plus 2, that is 75. This is one standard deviation below the mean, 69 minus 2, 67. 2 standard deviation below the mean, this is 65. And 3 standard deviation below the mean, 63. So we know that this is 34%, 34%. This is 13.5%, and this is 2.35%. This is 13.5% and 2.35%. The question is, how many would you expect to be taller than 6 feet? So we have the probability that x rather is greater than 71, this one. So we're looking for this part, going to this part. That's the question there. Okay, so you add the 13.5% plus 2.35%, that will give you 15.85%. But the question is, how many number of peoples? So to do it, you get the 15.85% of the 2,000 adults. So 2,000, you multiply it by 15.85%. So that is 2,000 times 0.1585. So using your calculator, that is 317. Let me check it if it's correct. 2,000 times 0.1585, that's 317, which means 317 adult American males are taller than 6 feet. Okay, so try practice exercises number 2, and after that, answer your classwork in your Math Excel, and we will be having our quiz on Friday that's going to be in person. Bye!